your Battle.net email?
Yes. My email is little, like as in L-I-L.
The phone totally cut out there. I didn't hear anything that you said.
L-I-L.
L-I-L.
Marine. Banana at AOL.com.
I'm sorry, after banana it was what?
At AOL.com.
Okay, and your name?
My name is Chang.
And your last name?
Ryu. Oh yeah, I go by Ryu. That's my full last name.
Ryan, go ahead and spell it.
R-Y-U.
That's actually not what's listed.
I see. Huh. That's weird. So I didn't just put Ryu?
No.
Huh. Okay, well, have to, oh sorry, that was, my computer. I guess it's, I don't know, cause my friend was on my account, and possibly he was messing with it or something. I'm not sure.
You can't actually change the name from your side.
Oh, that's weird. So, is there anything that I could do to fix this?
Well, I can verify the account, and then we can send you a naming change before we'll do anything.
Sir, I don't like your tone.
I'm sorry? I don't understand.
I don't like your tone. You're being nasty.
I'm actually not being nasty, and I'm sorry that it's coming across that way.
No, you're nasty.
Anyway, let's go back to what we were talking about. So, in order to get your account back, what I'll need to do is send you a naming change.
Okay.
But what we'll need to do first is go ahead and verify the account. Once you can verify it, then I can go ahead and send the name change.
Alright.
Okay, so one of the questions on your account is your favorite sports team.
The Patriots.
Okay.
Alright.
And let's take a look at your account.
Okay. Oh, by the way, I was thinking about buying that game, World of Warcraft. Is it good?
Is World of Warcraft good?
Yes.
That's pretty subjective. I enjoyed it. I bought it when it came out in 2000. Well, it came out in 2004, but I bought it in 2005 and have been playing it since. It has a lot of players, millions.
What level are you?
I have several level 85s.
Oh, you're a noob.
Well, you can't get any higher than level 85.
I'm a level 50. Oh, that's so